Once again.
Hello, good day. Welcome to another section of how to create Android application using APPCREATOR24. So I've explained how you can sign up with this particular website. The one thing about the website is that it's interface friendly. So when you sign in, after accepting your comments, by the time you sign in, this is the first phase that will surface. So now you enter the name of the application you are creating. So let me say I'm creating a golden technology. The name of the app I need is a golden technology, and then I'll choose the app icon. By this, you have already created a logo for your app. So you click on choose file to select the file from your phone. Click on documents. Okay, from my gallery, and then I can select from the logo I have created. You can select from the logo I have created. Let me say I'm going with this logo. Okay, so now app description. Primary English, you can choose the language you want. Primary language, so leave it English default, except you are not using English. Then app description, then the purpose of the app, what can describe the app. So you can say this is a technological, I'm just giving an instance. So what best describe your app, the purpose of your app. So and then you click on next to take you to the next stage. This stage 1, you can see here stage 1, so take you to the next stage. On this, you need a very good network, and like I have said before, ensure you are using a Chrome browser. Okay, so now the second is the app style. You can just decide to leave it holo or contrast, or you choose a color and then click on next, any color, and click on next. Now here is create app, kind of app. What kind of app do I need? Is it a blog app, chatting app? So let's say I need a blog app. Click on blog app. Take us to the next. Then it tell me to enter the title of my blog. Then I enter the title of my blog and then the address of my blog. So on doing this, I click on next. Then this is the final wizard completion, and then I click on go to app manager. Okay, good. So now we are on the app manager. The first thing you have to do is download the app to your phone using this link. Okay, when you download the app to your phone using this link, when you click on this link now, it will enable you to download the app, then install it on your phone. After installation, then you can now start modifying your application, and that will be my next tutorial class on how you can modify your app. So let me quickly explain why you need to download it to your phone. You need to download it to your phone so that anything you modify here will you first of all check the effect of it before you fully launch your app link to your targeted audience or user. So you click on this link, it will take you to this page. Now this is showing because it's telling you the app is not yet available. Try again in 1 minute. So this simply means that the app is still loading. So don't leave this page, wait for 1 minute, and then you will refresh. You refresh by drawing down your tab, so it refreshes, and then the download button will appear here. Let's wait for 1 minute. So as you can see, I've refreshed the browser and the download button has appeared. So I click on this download to start downloading the application. So I'm clicking on it, it starts downloading, as you can see, and then click on OK. It starts downloading the file. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for the next series, or kindly search for the next section on how to modify your application using APPCREATOR24.com. We love you at Integrity Techs. If you have any question, please feel free to inbox me on my WhatsApp or here in the comment section. We love you. Thank you.